guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hello if you're new. This is Avni Talwar this side, and today I have come Panvel to explore its food. So without wasting any further time, let's move ahead and let's get started. वो कहते हैं ना, a good breakfast sets your day right. इसीलिए हम आए हैं कामधेनु's फूड द इंडियन बिस्ट्रो. यहाँ पे आपको ब्रेकफास्ट की कई सारी वैरायटीज मिलेगी, लंच की कई सारी वैरायटीज मिलेंगी एंड इवन डिनर. एंड गेस व्हाट, इफ यू आर समवन हु इज फास्टिंग, आपको अपने आप को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आपको यहाँ पे उसकी भी वैरायटीज मिलेगी. सो फॉर अ गुड ब्रेकफास्ट आई एम गोना हेड इनसाइड. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हमने मंगाया है इनका फेमस AK-47 सैंडविच. This sandwich has 2 layers. The first layer is the basic vegetable stuffing, which is your beetroot, carrot, tomato, kanda. But boss, the magic happens inside the second layer, because ये second layer है ना, it is filled with पनीर का stuffing. And if you love paneer, you definitely have to try this. And साथ ही साथ इसे compliment of course करता है ये चटनी and the tomato sauce. And to add that crunch ना, यहाँ पे आपको potato के chips नहीं मिलेंगे. Instead, you'll get these corn chips and they look very tempting. And guess what? Now I'm simply going to dive in and have a bite. This sandwich is really amazing. The stuffing is so nice कि मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती. Initially when I took the first bite ना, तो हल्का मुझे मीठा लगा, but after a while I got that spice का थोड़ा सा kick. So if you are someone who doesn't like मीठा खाना and who's into spicy food, maybe this is not for you. But if you love paneer and everything about it, definitely give this a try because I love it. वैसे तो इस खाओ गली में खाने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, बट यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स कॉलेज में अटेंडेंस देने से पहले पंडित मिसड के यहाँ अटेंडेंस जरूर दे के जाते हैं. तो बस जैसे हमने ये सुना, हम फटाफट आ गए. कम ऑन, लेट्स चेक आउट द पंडित मिसड का मिसड. पता है ये क्या करते हैं? जो वड़ा पाव का आलू का फिलिंग होता है ना, वो फिलिंग इस मिसड में डालते हैं. एंड इनिशियली व्हेन यू टेक द फर्स्ट बाइट ना, इट्स वेरी फ्लेवरफुल एंड द फ्लेवर्स हिट यू राइट देयर. But guess what? After 30 seconds na, the spice kicks in. And if you are someone who likes Zanjanit misal na, definitely give this a try. Maushi Ji Canteen is a very famous lunch place and it's famous for its thali. Be it chicken, mutton, and यहाँ की speciality है उनके fish के dishes. It is popularly known for its authentic flavor and it is so amazing that it is visited by a lot of famous people. Just a heads up, अगर आप यहाँ आ रहे हो तो यहाँ ऑनलाइन पेमेंट एंड डेबिट कार्ड इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल. यू हैव टू कम अप विद कैश. So we've ordered 2 thalis. One is the surmai thali, one is the papre thali and the bhangra. You also get chicken and mutton thali, but यहाँ की speciality क्योंकि fish थी तो हमने सारी dishes fishes की मंगाई है. And of course सोल कड़ी तो यहाँ की highlight थी, तो वो तो मंगाना ही था. The thali looks really flavorful and I simply cannot wait to try this out. So all the 3 fish dishes that we have ordered are really amazing. The marination is so good and it's so flavorful, and even the prawns curry complements the bhakri really well. So next time when you are craving fish thali na, you know where to come. And guess what? I have found my new favorite thali. We have come to Panvel's Shawarma Hub and one of my friends had recommended me to try the shawarma from Shawarma Ji. And यहाँ पे हमने ऑर्डर किया है एक टर्किश चिकन शॉर्मा and one Firangi paneer shawarma. Let's check it out. Both the shawarmas are really filling and really flavorful. इनमें बहुत ज़्यादा stuffing है. The Turkish shawarma has hummus, pickles, cabbage in it, whereas the paneer shawarma has pickles and different kinds of sauces which adds the flavor to it. So the next time you're craving shawarma, you know where to go. Wage's Pav Bhaji Center is established since 1967. This is a famous snacking corner and we have ordered the iconic masala vada pav. This masala vada pav really lives up to its name because it's masaledar, it's flavorful and it's really spicy. So much so कि मुझे बात करने में थोड़ी तकलीफ हो रही है. If you are someone who loves spicy food and loves vada pav, what are you waiting for? जल्दी जल्दी यहाँ आ जाओ. So these were the 5 places that I have covered in Panvel this time. Let me know in the comment section down below कि आपका इन 5 में से कौन सा favorite dish था and कौन सी favorite जगह थी. And also let me know in the comment section down below कि कौन सी जगह मैं explore कर सकती हूँ the next time I'm in Panvel. Meanwhile, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your gang. And I will see you next time soon. Bye.